Hey guys, Caleb here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload sermon audio to our website and our app. First thing you want to do, open up Google Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using, and you want to type in subsplash.com. That'll take you to this screen. Click Login and App Dashboard Login. Mine's probably going to log me in automatically because I have it saved and I was just on it. So you'll notice it opens a new tab, and here we are. So this is all of our app and website stuff, giving, messaging, all that stuff. It's here. But basically what you're going to be looking for is, used to be you could look at this. I wouldn't use this anymore because we're going to have, starting the new year, we're going to have both Berlin and Sugar Creek items, so you're not going to know which one you're clicking into until you're into it. So I would go to Media and On Demand. In here you can find all of the recent media items, and then you can also view all in order to get where you need to be. So I'll open one that we haven't done yet, which this is one we haven't done yet. So this is for Berlin campus. You can see that here. Whenever you start doing this for Sugar Creek, you're going to want to make sure you find the one that's for the Sugar Creek campus. That'll be the first thing you want to check out. And then you'll notice once you get down here, you'll have video option and audio option. You can drag a file, you can browse recent, or you can enter a URL. I usually just drag a file because I tend to put some light editing on mine, but you guys don't have to. So I'll show you what I do. I go into my Finder and go into my documents. I have a folder that says Sunday Sermon Audio. Basically just go wherever you save this audio. I'll just click this one just to have one. So this one is a WAV. You'll notice you can have MP3, M4A, or WAV. WAV usually takes longer to upload, so I generally save it as an MP3. This was back before I really had messed with it much. I believe this was actually the first Sunday I used this. But anyway, basically just drag it in here and it'll start uploading. You'll see it down here, start uploading. I'm gonna just cancel it because I don't want it to upload. But once it's done uploading there, you just have to come up here, click the save button right here, and that is it. It is done. You're done. No worries, all done, you know. Yeah, that's really all there is to it. You can then get on the website if you like, or the app, and double check. So, oops, allofgrace.org. And in order to check it, go to Media and Messages. And I assume starting the new year, we'll have more than just the Berlin campus stuff. So click into whichever one you want to check, and you can find it here. So mine's a video, and they pull the audio from the video. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. Thanks, guys.